Ever felt like you've been run over by a truck after a grueling workout? Well, what if I told you there's a way to ease that pain and speed up your recovery? Welcome back to Health and Fitness 101. I'm Mike, and today we're diving into the world of foam rolling. Now, imagine your muscles are like a garden hose. When it's all knotted up, the water can't flow properly. But when you straighten it out, the water flows smoothly. That's what foam rolling does to your muscles. It's like a DIY deep tissue massage, unknotting your muscles and increasing blood flow. Foam rolling, or self-myofascial release, is a technique that uses pressure and movement to stretch and soothe tight, inflamed areas of the body. It's like having a personal masseuse on call, but without the hefty price tag. The benefits of foam rolling are numerous. It can help reduce muscle soreness, increase flexibility, and even improve your performance in the gym. Think of it as a tune-up for your body, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. But like any tool, it's not just about having it, it's about knowing how to use it. So let's talk about some best practices. Firstly, always roll in the direction of the muscle fibers, not against them. It's like petting a cat. You want to go with the grain, not against it. Secondly, spend at least a minute on each area. It's not a race, folks. You're not trying to set a world record for fastest foam roller. Take your time and really work into those tight spots. Thirdly, avoid rolling directly on joints or bones. Stick to the meaty parts of your body, like your thighs, calves, and back. Lastly, remember to breathe. It might be uncomfortable, especially if you're new to foam rolling, but try to relax and breathe through it. It's like getting a tattoo. It might hurt in the moment, but the end result is worth it. So, there you have it, folks. Foam rolling, your secret weapon for recovery and performance. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Health and Fitness 101 for more tips and tricks to help you on your fitness journey. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Until next time, keep rolling.